Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find out when you started following someone on the Instagram app. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app on your device. Next, you will need to go to your page. And here, go to your subscriptions section. Here, you can select from the list the person you want to know when you started following them. To do this, in front of the person's name, click on the three dots. And then from the menu that you will see, select View Total Activity. This will take you to a page where you can see when you subscribed to the person and whether he subscribed back to you, and also when he did it too. You will see the month and the year. That way you can see when you started following someone on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.